want to go to the
Oh, it has the. That's pretty cool.
Mm-hmm.
gyro.
So we saw what not to do and what to do. This is where you're gonna go.
No, we'll see, bro. We just have to wait and see.
Can you see around that thing?
Yeah, purely. Like, I drive a bunch of cars with this thing. It's like a little GoPro. I do POV videos as well. Pretty cool, eh? Guys deciding where they...
Do you film like a sort of high-end cars?
Yeah, I
So
film...
he does videos for stuff like this.
You can see around that.
Yeah, 100%.
He's
He's like, are you sure you can see around there? Yeah, 100%.
Like, you know what? So I'm good with the first one. Now then I'm like, oh.
I mean, I didn't sign the waiver, so.
I mean, true, man. You're safe, man. You're good.
Oh. This is gonna be fun. I got cars in front of us now. I'm actually happy.
If you stop here, you can probably see his tire come off the ground there.
Oh. Oh.
And we'll probably let them get down around the corner before we go.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Nah, once they turn.
A lot of people panic in that corner and kind of let off the brakes. Nathan.
Bro, he got your name and everything, man.
Just watch his next videos. Okay, guys. Don't pull a Nathan.
Don't pull a Nathan.
Don't worry about it.
Don't worry about him. His name is Nathan. Just don't do what he did, man.
Don't pull a Nathan. You're already pulling a Nathan.
Bro, don't worry. My foot is still on the brake, bro. We're not gonna be moving no faster than this, man.
I know who's his favorite.
Now children.
Now, children.
This is nice. The back glass.
Oh, the panoramic sunroof thing?
I wouldn't mind owning a Kia now.
I think that's the whole object of this little course.
Yeah. But it doesn't fit my life, so.
What do you guys drive now?
Saturn.
Hmm?
Saturn?
Yeah, Saturn.
Mine's like a lifted cross charge.
I have a RAV4.
Oh, yeah.
But I'm purchasing my new car next year.
I was gonna say, they don't even make Saturn anymore.
Yeah, I know. But she's holding up really well.
No, that's good.
She's still the fastest Saturn out there.
You guys all do sound systems, or just you? Or both of you?
Just me. He's their mascot.
Ah,
I do help out.
craziest sounding minivan I've ever heard.
Yeah. Have you seen inside of it? Have you seen the inside?
No, just the doors.
You should, bro. You should. It's crazy
Yeah, I'll
inside.
walk over.
He's watching you, so I was like, I know you can't see around that thing, bro. I know you can't see around that.
Usually, I'll put it on your head. You see, you can easily just see just straight around you.
Really?
Yeah.
They're actually flying, eh? Those guys are flying.
Bro, they're probably like Nathan, bro.
Yeah, sure. What's it called? Have you anyone scared, like, what's it like
Has anyone ever like crashed a car
jumped in and be like, oh, okay, no, I'm not doing this anymore, and then you have to
take over?
I had one girl last year when we first come in.
Mhm.
She was coming down really fast. I said, hit the brake, she hit the gas.
Oh.
Yeah, we got into that second set of bumps and she finally got braked, but we were just kind of in the trees a bit.
Oh, that's scary.
Yeah. She was laughing hysterically. I should have kicked her out, but I didn't. She was pretty good looking.
But I'm telling you, if you're cute, you can get away with anything, man.
Yeah. They had one.
Yeah, but that's not your case, so relax.
Slowly.
One Santa Fe got wrecked last year before the event even started.
Really?
I think a couple of the executives took it around the course and they crashed it.
Oh.
And that tight turn up here, one of the Jeeps last year smoked the side of it.
Holy.
So I don't know, yeah, I don't know who pays for damages.
I think it's just the manufacturer. It's like,
Oh, so-
I'm sure that in the fine print there's
Yeah, there's
yeah,
something.
it's about like
You'll probably have to cover some of it.
Yeah.
At least. So, at the bare minimum, you
like a
get your
little
pay.
bit, some percentage. At least there's like not much bushes. Like,
I mean, they would have to like remove that because you wouldn't want to like scratch the paint or something like that.
because my vehicle has tons and tons of bush marks. But
I
they
wonder
took
why.
them.
Wait, so what happens if there's undercarriage? Let's say there's like undercarriage damage. How would you guys pin it on somebody though?
Oh yeah, it'd be hard.
Yeah, because like
Unless there's like a really big.
yeah, because like someone could just like maybe like scrape you just enough for the car to not.
Yeah. I'm assuming they're gonna anticipate some minor damage to it. But
Wow. So I found at the end of the forest, really. Cool. So let's say you had to grade us.
This guy wanted to do that, man.
I waited for the end, okay? Look, I waited for the end. I didn't do it at the beginning.
I think you're the smoothest.
Yeah, you were the smoothest,
Mine's just
100%.
a little bit too rushing.
You're my like mountain must take over. That's
For
cool.
the ride quality and smoothness, it's definitely good. For me, it's just I don't know, just a little bit too
Speed.
fast. Yeah.
All he sees is go.
I hope you guys enjoyed it.
Oh, 100%, man. This was
Thank
good.
you.
No worries.